Hello all. So you have a Chevy, GM, Pontiac, or Oldsmobile 3.4 liter V6 engine. You need to know what the firing order is, the cylinder location, coil pack numbers, and which side of the engine is bank 1 and bank 2. I thought I'd real quickly go over this to show what this information is. And the 3.4 liter V6 engine was built inside of 3 different variants, but the firing order, the cylinder location, and which side of the engine is bank 1 or bank 2. This is going to be the same across all these variants. And in case you're wondering where I'm getting this information, these are the manuals that I have that I'm getting the information from. And I believe all these engines were mounted sideways, called Traverse. Although I might be wrong on that, some of them might have been mounted straight, but all the ones I've ever seen, they all been mounted sideways. So to make this easier to understand, I made up this diagram. If you need this diagram, I'll put a link in the description box below where you can go and get it. But the cylinder locations, when you open up the hood, up against the firewall is going to be 1, 3, 5. Up inside the front, it's going to be 2, 4, 6. Bank 1 side of the engine is going to be up against the firewall. Bank 2 is going to be up inside the front. If you ever need to know what side of an engine is bank 1 or bank 2 on a V6 or V8 engine, just find the number 1 cylinder on that engine, and that side of the engine is going to be bank 1, and the opposite of that is going to be bank 2. And the firing order for the 3.4 liter is really simple. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next up is the coil pack numbers, where basically these numbers are which cylinders the spark plug wires go to. Here's one from a 2004 Chevy Impala, and here's one from a 2001 Monte Carlo. This is going to be the most common one that's going to come inside a 3.4 liter. Unless you have a 2005 to 2001 Chevy Equinox, then here's a coil pack from that vehicle, which does have a separate coil. It is numbered differently, but for most vehicles, it's going to be like this 2004 Chevy Impala. So if you get a coil pack and there's no numbers on it, and you don't know which ones go to which, very likely that's going to be the one that you can follow to match up which cylinders that they go to. And so that's basically it. If this video helps you, please click like.